I have often thought that true power lies not in the sword, but in the mind guided by principle. I am Thomas Jefferson, born on Virginia soil. And I once told John Adams, I cannot live without books. When Congress called upon me to draft our Declaration of Independence, I had but days to put quill to parchment, and the weight of centuries pressing on my shoulders. When the ink dried, the world shifted. Every word was a step into the unknown, a torch lit for posterity. As president, I spoke softly, but I had grand plans for this nation. In 1803, I nearly doubled the size of the country with the Louisiana Purchase. Westward expansion was vital for this nation's health and prosperity, and I envisioned an empire of liberty. We must guard liberty with learning, for freedom depends not on force, but on the cultivation of an enlightened mind.